A room without books is like a body without a soul. Good morning, everyone. We, the students of class 9A, would like to present a short video on World Book Day. World Book Day is observed every year on the 23rd of April. The day was started by UNESCO to promote reading, publishing, and copyright. It is also known as the World Book and Copyright Day. The day was first celebrated on the 23rd of April in 1995 and continues to get recognized on that day every year. It was aimed to promote publishing and copyright, but encompasses everything from reading and writing to literature and drama. Today, more than 100 countries across the world are joining the celebration of the World Book Day celebrations. Now, let's move on to the videos presented by my friends.
Happy World Book Day, everybody! One who does not know the happiness a book gives has missed a lot of good things in the world. Let us help UNESCO succeed in its mission by donating our old books to the children who do not have the privilege to buy the books. Once again, I wish you all a very happy World Book Day.
Hello all. Today I am going to talk about one of my most favorite authors, Rick Riordan, the master of myth. Richard Russell Riordan, better known as Rick Riordan, born on June 5, 1964, is an American author and writes children's fiction. He is best known for writing the Percy Jackson series, which is about the life of a teenage boy who discovers that his father is a Greek god called Poseidon and about the troubles that follow. Riordan's books have been translated into 42 different languages and have sold over 30 million copies in the US. Two of his Percy Jackson books have already been adapted to movies. Some of his most notable works are the Percy Jackson series, the Heroes of Olympus series, which are the sequel to Percy Jackson series, Kane Chronicles, which deal in Egyptian mythology, and the Trials of Riordan's first full-length novel was The Big Red Tequila, which later on became the first novel in the Tres Navarre series. His biggest breakthrough was the publication of The Lightning Thief, 2005, the first book in the 5-volume Percy Jackson series, which transported the reader into a Greek mythological setting. His most recent publications are the 3 books in the Magnus Chase series. Currently 56, he lives in Boston with his wife and 2 children.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Stilton, Geronimo Stilton. I think we're hearing this somewhere. Well, yeah, we're hearing this in one of the worldwide famous series of books, the Geronimo Stilton. This book is worldwide known because of the famous character, the Geronimo Stilton himself, who is a scared and a nervous mouse who is mild-mannered and always prefers a peaceful and a quiet life. But he keeps getting involved in faraway adventures. The reason why a lot of them love this book is because they are marvelously filled with a lot of excitement, mystery, and innovation. But not only Mr. Geronimo, his whole Stilton family is one of the wonders in my view. His one and only sister, Miss Thea Stilton, and his nephew, Benjamin Stilton, are one of them. And if you know about this book, you may be also knowing about Elisabetta Dam, who is an Italian children's books author who is worldwide famous for being the creator of the one and only Geronimo Stilton.
My favorite book is the Harry Potter and the My favorite book is the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban from the Harry Potter series written by J.K. Rowling. Here is the summary. Harry was back at the Dursleys having another terrible summer. On his birthday, he learned that Aunt March was coming to stay for a week. Harry managed to endure 6 days of March's taunting, but lost in on the last evening when Aunt March talked badly about his parents. He inflated Aunt Marge and ran away. He made it to the leaky cauldron where he stayed until September. The night before he was to go to Hogwarts, his school, he heard his best friend Ron's parents arguing. He heard that the escaped prisoner Sirius Black was supposed to be after Harry. Harry's classes made Harry pretty busy. In divination, he learned that he will die soon and the care of magical creatures has been taken over by Harry. Harry only truly enjoyed the defense against the dark arts classes with his professor, Remus Lupin. He also had several problems in facing the Dementors that guarded the school. Dementors were creatures that sucked out the soul out of a person. Working with Harry outside class, Professor Lupin taught Harry how to produce a Patronus charm which repels Dementors. Along with schoolwork, Quidditch, Sirius Black, and Dementors, Harry and his friends were also worried about Hagrid. One of his hippogriffs was sentenced to death because of an attack on his enemy Malfoy. On the last day of exams, the trio came face to face with the prisoner Sirius Black, who was supposed to be after Harry. But Sirius wanted Ron's rat, who was really Peter Pettigrew, who was the real murderer. Even though Pettigrew escaped again, Harry and Hermione was able to save Sirius and the hippogriff that was sentenced to death by turning back the time.
Importance of reading books. Reading books develops our thoughts, gives us endless knowledge and lessons while keeping our minds active. Books consist of all kinds of information, stories, thoughts, and feelings, unlike anything else in the world. Benefits of reading books. Reading books reduce stress, improve brain connectivity, increase our vocabulary and comprehension, lowers blood pressure and heart rate. Books are my friends and companions. They make me laugh and cry and make me find the meaning of life.
Learning to read is about listening and understanding as well as working out what is printed on the page are exposed to a wide range of words. This helps them build their own vocabulary and improve their understanding when they listen, which is vital as they start to read.
पढ़ना सीखना सुनने और समझने के साथ साथ पृष्ठ पर छपे हुए काम के बारे में भी है। सुनने की कहानियों के माध्यम से बच्चों को शब्दों की एक विस्तृत श्रृंखला से अवगत कराया जाता है। इससे उन्हें अपनी शब्दावली बनाने में मदद मिलती है और जब वे सुनते हैं तो उनकी समझ में सुधार होती है, जो महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि वे पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं।
Good books build up in us numerous qualities. Books make our life happy. Only a genuine reader of good books knows what divine satisfaction he gets from reading books. Reading develops a standard of living and improve our ideologies. I hope that we have inspired every single person watching this video to grab a good book, curl up in a chair and start reading, because this is the day we celebrate man's greatest invention, books. Thank you.